One of the advantages of the Enchanted Learning membership is that we have access to the printable versions of all of these activities and files. And so here's a couple of tips for printing. This first tip is about if your printer won't print. So for instance, if you're printing just text but the images don't show up, that usually it's a memory problem of some sort, and if you restart your computer or sometimes just exit your browser, so click on the red X in the upper right hand corner and then go back into Internet Explorer, that will fix that problem. So two things to do if you're seeing just partial images or text printing on the page. When you go to a printable page that has large images on it, oftentimes you will get options for what sizes to print. So in the upper left-hand corner it says printable page with normal size images, and then over here the images can be larger by 25, 35, 50, or 75%. Or you can make them smaller by 20%. And one of the things that you'll want to do is look at the page setup to see what this looks like before you print. So let me show you how you do that. If I click on the printable page with normal size images and I go to File, Print Preview, I should see how this lays out on the page, and on the bottom here it says page 1 of 1, so I can see that that fits just fine on my page and that should work. I'm going to close that and go back. Let's try one that's a little bit bigger. So I'm going to try 25% and go to File, Print Preview. And I can see here it now says page 1 of 3, and I can see there's nothing on this first page. I'm going to navigate to page 2. There's my barns with some lines below, and there's page 3. So that really didn't get me anywhere. The images are a little bit larger, but they still are made to fit on one page. And depending on the activity, that may be the case. You'll just have to kind of try it out to see which size works the best for you. But do remember to use File, Print Preview before actually pressing Print, File, Print, to print it out on the printer, and you'll probably be happy with the trees that you save.